Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing very well and you are all smiling. Yes, please do. And you start saying yourself thank you. If you're doing very good, if you're not doing yet, please start saying yourself. And how many have you start writing your purpose and goal of your life? Who started? Amazing, very good, keep it up and please write it down. I want to see and comments me. I want to see who started writing and who haven't started yet. Don't worry, tomorrow you can start. And for that you go back my old video where I said how to perform the morning ritual and you start tomorrow. Okay? So today I want to talk about very interesting topic. So before I start, I want to ask you, if you not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. Don't delay. Because if you delay, you will miss lots of valuable tips. I will give you lots of important tips which you can use in your daily life and you will be benefited. Trust me. So subscribe and share. Sharing the knowledge is the best thing. Okay? And I'm sure you will like my video. So let's start the topic. I want to talk about God Dhanvantari. So who is Lord Dhanvantari? Lord Dhanvantari is the god of medicine and an avatar of Lord Vishnu. Let me show you the picture. See, this is God Dhanvantari. He has been king of Varanasi. In Puran says he is a god of Ayurveda. During the Samudra Manthan, he appeared from the ocean with the nectar of immortality, which is Amrit Kalash. So my recommendation is, please keep his picture in your house and keep his picture on the northeast wall, and in front of his picture just leave it one silver or copper kalash with a full of water, and you drink every day twice water from there, morning and evening. Okay? So 2 times a day, every day you do that. You feel like you are drinking Amrit. It's about trust, it's about belief. You have to believe if you drink water, you will be perfectly okay regarding your health. And trust me, it works. Like a lot of people are suffering in your house, long time diseases, and they are not getting cured. You're going to the doctor, everything. Just trust me, try it. Try it for 3 months. Everything you have to try for 90 days. Before 90 days, you cannot say, no, it's not working. You try it for 3 months and then you can feel that. Yes. So Lord Dhanvantari is with me. So when you're doing that, you have to do one more thing. You have to chant his mantra. So please write it down. I'm telling you. I'm trying to tell slowly so that you can write it down. Om Namah Bhagavate Mahashadarshanaye Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalash Hastaye Sarva Bhay Vinashaye Sarva Rog Nibaranaye Trilok Pataye Trilok Nidhaye Sri Mahavishnu Sharupo Sri Dhanvantari Sharupe Sri 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 Osha Chakro Narayanaya Swaha. Okay? Try to chant this mantra whenever you drink water. Okay? And even on the day of Dhanteras, people also worship Lord Dhanvantari. It is believed that Lord Dhanvantari imparted the wisdom of Ayurveda for betterment of mankind, and also it helps in getting rid of suffering from diseases. So please follow that. It is an amazing solution for your health, trust me. You will be perfectly okay. And please let me know how do you like it, and also let me know who started doing it. Listen, in our life always has us so many problems. Don't think. What I say always, stay positive, think positive. If you stay positive, nothing will have any problem. Trust me. Who are we? We make a problem? No. Can we solve our own problem? Everything controlled by Him. Remember that. So one thing we can do all. What? Which is the good karma. Just do the good karma and think positive. Every day will be the beautiful day. Trust me. So before I leave, I give you one tip. If it's possible, use the salt, just plain salt, with your bucket of water and mop your room. And you can feel like lots of negative energy removes from your house, and you bringing the positive energy in your house. Okay? So thank you so much for today. See you soon and take care of yourself. Thank you.